So overall, I think it's a good option. It's got a good battery life. "85 minutes, 90 minutes of use." It takes a battery charger, which is good, and it takes a USB charger, but it's a special charger here, so you have to have your cable. You can't use any cable on it. It's got multiple tops, which are different sizes, and you can use them for nose trimming, for actual haircuts, and it's got lots of little options as well for different size blades. It's got an actual shaver if you want to shave, clean shave, and it's got an adjustable stubble option as well. So far it feels like a nice build quality. It looks very fancy with like the quality of it, and it comes in its box with like a whole set of stuff. But overall, I'm gonna give you a real world opinion of this. I had my first quick shave with this. You'll see the footage on screen showing you how well it performed. It's a good option, not too expensive, it's a good budget. You've got a number of tools on there, so they do everything you need to do. Would I recommend it? I think for the price point it is a good option. So if you're thinking about a stubble option, because I used it mainly for stubble, I don't cut my hair with it, and you can see I've got like just enough stubble. I don't like to go full clean shave. I have very sensitive skin, so I can't fully clean shave or I get very like sore and itchy. So I like to just leave 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter of hair, and then it grows back naturally and it works out quite nicely. And it doesn't feel like I've had a shave, but I'm just freshened up. I do like it. Good option. It's got the beard trim shaver, which I used for just here to clean it up. So that's the top. You can take that off, and there's a few bigger options for the actual shaving. You see the big shaving option there? That clips off. That's what that is. And then you've got the nose trim tool or ear hair trim. That can be like your nose or your ear. And then you've got the adjustable hair one as well. So it feels like good build quality. And so that goes on first. And then this lies on top. So like a eye stubble from shaver.